everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be giving a quick update on my stock market portfolio. What's moving, what's changing, and the strategies that I'm focusing on right now. Now, in my last portfolio update video, I announced that I'm making major changes to my stock market portfolio. So I am currently in the process of moving my funds out of InvestEngine and over to Trading212 via ISA transfer. So later on in that video, we'll talk more a bit about how that's doing and what that means going forward from here. As always, please remember the content of this video should not be considered as financial advice. This is me purely just documenting my journey in the stock market. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Now, to kick things off, starting with my Vanguard account, I currently have £95,328.24 sitting across my stocks and shares ISA and SIPP account. In the last portfolio update video that I put out, I think I had roughly around £92,000 sitting across my two Vanguard accounts. So yeah, things have gone up quite significantly since then. And then scrolling down to my contributions and my returns, you can see I've contributed £68,178.52. And a result of investing that money, I am now sitting at a positive investment return of £27,148.72. This now leaves me with a time-weighted rate of return of 60.1%. And I think, don't quote me on this, but I think we're approaching near enough all-time highs, which is of course very, very nice to see. Now I'm gonna head over to the month tab and we're gonna see how my Vanguard portfolio performed over November and how it's currently performing over December. So here's my data for November. As you can see, I started the month with a beginning balance of £95,527.43. And I ended the month with a balance of £95,328.14. Overall, in the month of November, my Vanguard portfolio is down by £708.37. And if I'm honest, I'm quite happy. Well, I shouldn't say I'm happy with the way it ended, but if you watched my most recent portfolio update video, you would have seen that I was down by, I think it was about £3,900. So when I recorded that video up until now, things of course have gone up quite significantly. So yeah, I'm quite happy with ending the month at a small loss of just over £700. And then heading over to the month of December, of course, we're only 2 days into the month, so barely anything's happened, but I'm currently sitting at a personal investment return so far in December of 10p. And this is probably just interest that I've received as a result of holding a bit of cash in my Vanguard account. So folks, that wraps up my Vanguard update. Just to confirm, I have £95,328.24 sitting in Vanguard. Now we're going to head over to InvestEngine and let's take a look at the performance of my InvestEngine portfolio. Just a quick update from today's sponsor, Investing.com. You've got to try out their new feature called Warren AI. It's a chatbot style tool, so instead of digging through menus or charts, you just talk to it. Type your questions with the same way you'd ask a friend, like why is the stock market dropping today, or is this stock too risky right now? And Warren AI answers in a clear conversational way. It breaks down complex stuff, charts, earnings, news into plain English, no jargon, no stress, just easy to understand insights. And you can go deep too. Ask it to help analyze a stock, compare sectors, or even build a watch list. Now the Investing.com platform is currently having a huge promotional discount right now, up to 55% off plus a further 15% when you use my code MontyLane at checkout. So give it a go and let me know what you think of it. Okay, so welcome to my InvestEngine portfolio, which consists of a stocks and shares ISA. I currently have a total balance of £11,399.74. And I'm currently sitting at an investment return of £2,053.95. So like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm currently in the process of transferring the funds within my InvestEngine stocks and shares ISA all the way over to my Trading212 stocks and shares ISA via an ISA transfer. That process has now been kicked off, and I'm hoping that within the next week or two, everything's complete and my funds are sent over to Trading212. And of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated with how that goes. So anyway, let's now head into the stocks and shares ISA itself and see how things are performing. So going into my InvestEngine stocks and shares ISA itself, interestingly, you can see that I currently have £0 allocated to all three of my ETFs. And this is because, like I said, I've initiated the transfer process. So in order to send the money from my InvestEngine account over to my Trading212 account, I had to liquidate my funds, hold the money as cash, and then at that point, once you have the money sitting in your account as cash, that's when InvestEngine can then send it over to your new provider. And if I scroll up, you can see, yep, I currently have £11,399.74 sitting as cash within that account. So now that this is here sitting as cash, InvestEngine have been able to initiate that process in terms of transferring the funds across. And like I said, I'm really hoping that within the next week or two, the whole process is complete and the money sent across to my Trading212 account. So yeah, that wraps up my InvestEngine account. Now let's head over to Trading212 and let's take a look at how my general investment account and stocks and shares ISA within Trading212 are performing. Okay, so to kick things off, starting with my stocks and shares ISA, as you can see, I currently have £659.05 sitting within this account. Just a quick disclaimer, so if you're a regular viewer of my channel, you would have known that, of course, I've recently relocated over to Dubai and I'm no longer a UK tax-paying resident, which means that I'm no longer actively able to invest into ISAs. So I haven't been able to invest into my Trading212 stocks and shares ISA for quite a while now, which is why, of course, I've set up a Trading212 general investment account on the side. We'll go into the exact details and holdings of my Trading212 general investment account in a moment, but just to summarize, with my Trading212 stocks and shares ISA, I'm currently sitting at a return of £61.05, which works out to be a rate of return of 26.8%. In terms of the holdings, here you can see my holdings. So I have £346.80 in FWRG. I have £173.84 in VUAG, £80.33 in Open Door Technologies. And then last but not least, I have £58.07 sitting in XNAQ. Now, of course, all of my ETFs are in the green. It's my Open Door Technologies holdings that's bringing me down. So as you can see, I'm down by 19.55% within this stock. I'm really hoping that within the coming weeks and months, Open Door Technologies starts to recoup some of its losses and gain some momentum in the markets. But we'll see how that goes. For the meantime, I'm just gonna hold this fund and see how things pan out. So that wraps up my Trading212 stock and shares ISA. Now let's take a look at how my general investment account is performing. So this is my Trading212 general investment account. And as you can see, I'm currently sitting at a total value of £115.76. My total return is sitting at £514.68. So this total return of £515.68 that you see on my screen, that includes returns held from previous investments within this account. So it doesn't account for just what I've got held now. So heading over to the screen that shows my unrealized returns, you can see this is currently sitting at £5.08. And this basically includes returns that are currently held. So investments that are currently held, what the return of those investments are. And here you can see the allocation split of my current investments. So I have £68.46 in FWRG, £34.43 in VUAG, £11.49 in XNAQ, and then I have some pennies in Open Door Technologies. So that wraps up my Trading212 update. Now, as always, let's combine all of these numbers across Vanguard, InvestEngine and Trading212, and let's see what my current total stock market portfolio balance is sitting at. Okay, so I've just been tallying up the numbers behind the scenes, and the breakdown is as follows. So in Vanguard, I had £95,328.24 invested. In InvestEngine, I had £11,399.74 invested. And in Trading212, I had £774.81 invested, which now leaves me with an overall total portfolio balance across my three investing platforms of £107,502.79. I am very, very happy with these numbers right now. I'm really hoping by the end of the year, I cross £110,000 invested in the stock market. And of course, if you want to stay updated to see if I reach this goal or not, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you back here again next week for another investment portfolio update video. Peace out.